How to make Fortnite an infinite craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your game and after that bring fire on your board. Now add water to it and this way you would be able to create a steam. Now add fire to it and you would be able to create engine. Now add engine to it and it will create rocket. Now add rocket to it and it will create satellite. After that you need to bring engine on your board. It is a separate one, not on satellite. And after that add steam to your engine and it will create train. Now we need to add rocket on our train and after that it will create bullet train. Now we need to add bullet train with satellite and we will get internet. Now we need to add fire on our board. Now add wind to this fire and we will create smoke. Now we need to add earth on board. Add wind to it. After that add water to this dust and we will get mud. Now add fire to it. We will get brick. Now add smoke to smoke and you would be able to create cloud. After that just simply add brick to cloud and it will create castle. Now add castle to internet and it will create Fortnite. And this is how you get Fortnite on Infinite Craft. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.